So my name is Tabitha Blagdon. I work at Tally Technologies. We're a consumer fintech company based in San Francisco, and we help a lot of customers with financial automation. And I am an engineering manager for the platform team at Tally. Yeah, this is my first time, and it's been a blast. It's been great. I heard about Scale by the Bay. I went last year for the first time to the conference and really enjoyed it. So that's how I heard about it. My favorite part of the talk is really the whole story that it paints around how technological innovation happens at a company, especially a fast-growing startup, where we have to evolve quickly in order to not only scale to meet product demands, but also scale to meet the organizational scaling needs that we have in engineering in general. So I think that is really, really exciting and interesting. And then, of course, the framework Type-us that we were able to develop and productionize, and how we're able to build reactive microservices over Kafka using Akka Streams and Akka Cluster, I think is actually really unique and innovative. So the whole thing's exciting. Yeah, so, well, the Type-us framework itself, the framework itself helps us scale because it actually allows our developers to be able to develop faster and easier. It also helps the organization scale as well, so that we can spend less time on toil and more time on actually developing. That's part of it. But then as far as the product itself, Type-us is actually an event-driven reactive microservices framework, and we weren't using eventing before. And so our newest product, Tally Save, requires real-time event processing, asynchronous, very responsive, highly responsive services, of which Type-us actually solves and will allow us to scale that way. Yeah, absolutely. I am looking forward to the keynote on Kubernetes tomorrow morning. I saw there's a talk later this afternoon that I'm looking forward to around how to build Scala and compile Scala faster. So that seemed really, really interesting. There's a talk on change data capture in Scala that I thought was interesting. That's actually tomorrow. So there's a lot of really interesting talks that, if anything, I wish I had more of me to split around the same time frame. So always love coming over here. Professionally, I'm looking forward to launching this Tally Save app into public beta next year. And we're actually looking forward to seeing how it handles in true production, actually. Yeah, so what I love the most about Scale by the Bay is I think a lot of the talks are really interesting. I think they're very much focused on the engineers sitting there learning new technologies and interesting things rather than just marketing and selling. And I really like that aspect of it. It feels very real and very raw. So I hope it stays that way and it continues to stay that way. What could improve? I don't know. I'm not really sure. Maybe, I know last year they had a couple big keynote speakers. It was really nice getting Odersky out here to see him talk and things like that. So maybe every other year, making sure like the keynotes are big and interesting and can draw in a lot of people. But overall, there's not much I would improve.